the restaurant is here. Our cottage is there, and they have a swimming pool as well. Maybe we will go there after some time. Let's go in and see what's there for breakfast. It's a beautiful sitting area. It's a buffet breakfast, so we just have to take breakfast there, and we can sit somewhere there. It's a nice view. Well, it's a breakfast time now. It's 9 o'clock. Felt like a long time because of that trek. That tiring trek, but lovely trek. So we've got a lovely breakfast here. We've got everything that's there. It's a boating time, and we will also go for swimming here after that. And in the front there, it's a natural jacuzzi. So we're just waiting for our dad. Okay, fine.
Water is very cold.
Guys, if anybody wants to see videos, you can see my YouTube channel. Daddy is leading the team.
I'm head of the team.
Look where they've gone. सुपर पैर का एक्सरसाइज हुआ ट्रैकिंग में. अभी हाथ का हो रहा है.
अभी पापा डैडी लगे रहो. दिशु पापा
फोटो पण
वीडियो पण करायला. Yes, we are in the center of this river now, River Kali. We can come again tomorrow or afternoon. Oh yes, just realized. We went on the top of that mountain in the morning. It's really high. So we had a cardio and leg exercise in the morning, and now it's arms exercise, rowing. Yeah, okay. Well, we fall down, then we go on a natural jacuzzi. And now we're gonna go that side, I guess. Yes. Jaini is not going forward. No, it's just pushing us on the left side, Papa. Water force is really high. Oh, we're going. Come on, keep going. You guys are doing well. Stop. Stop. Look at how clean. Water is so clean here. Where is the brake? Wow. Oh, these are some kind of weed. Yeah. They got some fruits. Yeah.
Forward. Yeah.
Forward? Okay. Stop. Okay, because they want us to take that side. You can see that board there. You okay, Dishu?
I'm great.
Mommy, you okay? Mommy, oh no. We're gonna crash in the trees. Move. Forward. Oh, wow, beautiful. The less pressure here. Good teamwork. Keep going. Wow.
ये अभी एनाकोंडा मूवी लग रहा है.
Wow.
Stop.
Stop
Wow.
for picture.
Yes. अभी नीचे उतरो.
और आगे से की फोटो हमारा.
फोटो जो भी फोटो निकालने वाले आगे जाके फोटो निकालना है.
I crashed. कुछ मत करो सर. We got beautiful. We got a lovely instructor. But we are hardly cooperating. He's scared.
सुंदर बसना.
Papa, you okay?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
We are having a great time.
Lovely.
Jungle. You should look here. Sorry, मैं तो busy हूँ पिक्चर निकालने में.
Look where we are going. मम्मी पुढे बघ.
Hey, I saw beautiful fish here. Colorful, I guess. पता नहीं. I thought. Yeah. Oh no, we're gonna get stuck in the trees. Anaconda.
अरे क्या? Stop forward कुछ.
Stop, break, nothing.
Oh, look at that. आगे देखो. झाड़ पड़े. उसके ऊपर कुछ है क्या? ट्री के ऊपर? दिख रहा है.
No instructions.
Keep going.
Stop.
Thank you.
ते समोर जे असं झाड पडलं त्याच्यावरती काय आहे का?
नाही दगड आहे का मध्ये? तो दगड आहे का?
नाही.
Wow. Is it possible that we get down in the water?
No, you are not allowed.
I don't know.
Strictly prohibited.
तिथे जे पडले ना ट्रीचं बार, there is something on that tree which is very pretty. इतना दूर है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. If you can zoom in and check.
It is, I think.
Oh, can't touch the. It's very deep. Oh, तुम्हाला रो करायला सांगितलं, not us.
नाही नाही कोणालाच नाही.
Oh,
ते
no.
बघ पाठीमागे बघ त्याच्यावरती सांगतेय मी. ऑरेंज व्हाईट.
मशरूम तिथे कसं येईल? अगं कुठेही येतं मग
जंगली
मशरूम.
मशरूम खायचं नाही.
खायचं नसते. मशरूम मध्ये प्रकार असतात.
मज्जा येईल गेलं तर.
कुठे?
अंदर जा रे.
Wow,
On that tree I'm telling you there's something orange.
हाँ मशरूम सारखंच आहे. वाइल्ड मशरूम्स ग.
ये क्या है? ये पेड़ के ऊपर क्या है? सब फूल जैसे.
वाइल्ड मशरूम्स आहेत ते.
हाँ फंगस मशरूम.
Video is there.
Forward.
Forward.
इस साइड से पोस्ट में इस तरफ से जा रहा हूँ.
कोऑर्डिनेशन मागच्या आणि पुढच्याचं बघायचं आणि करायचं. वाव यहाँ पे ज्यादा फोर्स है.
Stop. Wow.
तिथे बघा ना तिकडे कसं आहे. तिथे तिथे नंतर रो करताना ना फक्त ह्याच्यावरती कॅमेरा असा लावून असं जातो दिसतंय ना.
I enjoyed it. Both activities.
Very nice.
Cool breeze. No, I'm too scared there. There's a lot of force there. There's too much force there. And even the stones. Oh, they're going to turn it from there and then they're going back.
Wow. यो बहुत फास्ट है ये तो. बेडूक ओरडत नाही.
Oh, there is this rope in between. So is it gonna affect us?
No, we came from that road.
Yeah, but then we were in the middle. I guess we can't go there because then it will be a problem.
ईशा दीदी खालचा अजून खाली पकड, कमी ताकद लागते.
हा बरोबर.
Stop.
Stop.
Wow.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, it's gonna crash. Is the instructor?
Stop.